Do you want to attract more abundance in your life? You want to make more money or attract more money in your life? You know you are capable of making money but you are not making money. You know you deserve to be abundant but not becoming an abundant. You know why? Because some of our mental blocks, beliefs and past programming coming into our way to achieve what you want. Same thing happened with me, and I use a very powerful technique in my life called EFT, Emotional Freedom Technique, and remove my mental blocks and become successful, and becoming more and more abundant, attracting more and more cash. So my friend, I am Pradeep Agarwal. If this is the case for you, you are at the right place right now. I am Pradeep Agarwal, conducting workshop training program for last 43 years all over the world. More than 500,000 people attend my live training programs all over the world. And now EFT is an emotional freedom technique, very simple energy technique on tapping on certain points, which I learned in 1996 around now 25 years back, and using it myself, and I work with a lot of sportsmen. I help them also. I help using EFT technique not only for abundance, lose weight, remove fear, breaking patterns, different varieties of ways, and I use it for emergency techniques also. So now EFT can help you. EFT is a so powerful technique which will help you to remove all your mental blocks and attract what you want in your life. So my friend, I am conducting a video workshop on WhatsApp, 21-day workshop. Yes, it is a 21 days video workshop where I'll be doing the exercises with you, and you'll be watching me and doing it by watching me, and by the end of this workshop all your mental blocks has been removed and you become successful, you start attracting more abundance, more money, or anything in your life. Now let me tell you what we are going to learn in this 21-day workshop. Now first you will learn what is abundance. You will learn the 4 simple steps to increase abundance or attract more abundance. And then you will learn what EFT is. And then we will be learning how to remove, and actually not learning, you will be removing your first part is removing your 19 blockages, 19 mental blockages about abundance and money. You will be doing these exercises with me, the tapping exercises with me, by watching me on a video and doing the exercise, and every day you will get a video lesson. So 19 blocks. And then step 2 is increase your prosperity consciousness. Now most of the time we want to attract prosperity, but there are a lot of mental blocks there. So we'll be doing a tapping exercise for the 9 prosperity blockages to remove it. And then the third step is law of attraction, how to attract more money in your life. There is also some mental blockages, around 14 of them, which will be removing it, doing this very powerful EFT techniques. And finally step 4, claim abundance now. So become abundant now. So that will be the last part of this abundance. The 4th step, there are 6 particular blockages which will be working with them, so that you start attracting what you want. And by the end of this workshop, the WhatsApp workshop. Now remember, this is a video WhatsApp workshop. The purpose of video WhatsApp workshop is I will be guiding you, and I will be doing on myself, and you are following me and doing the exercises, so that you will not do any mistake and you will attract. Now if you just want to get into this, please don't take it. Only if you want to work with me and watching my video and doing the exercise while watching it, and you'll find that within 21 days you start attracting more abundance and anything you want in your life. You can use this technique anywhere. Now we'll be giving you a handout and everything, plus the course fee for this workshop. Normally when we do this workshop, physical workshop, we charge around 9,000 rupees plus GST. Now this is the WhatsApp workshop, so you're getting lesson on your WhatsApp. So this fees is not even 10,000 rupees, not even 5,000 rupees. It is only 950 rupees plus GST. That comes to 1,121 rupees. That's all. I just certificate program. At the end of this workshop, you'll get a certificate also. Plus, if you register before 6, I'll give you a very wonderful bonus. Hypnotic mantra for abundance. I've created an audio program, 18 hypnotic abundance mantras, hypnotic mantras, which you can just practice and become more abundant. Now this will be given at the end of the workshop. And what is this? We'll give you and explain to you how to practice those mantra. Plus there will be a loop video with the music, so you can just play in a background and use it. and then there will be a final loop of all the mantra in one audio program with a wonderful soothing music, so you can reprogram your mind. Now this itself costs around 5,000 rupees, we sell it. This will be as a free bonus for you till 7th of June. Now my friend, the workshop is starting on 9th of June. WhatsApp, you can practice anytime you want, wherever you want. There is no Zoom meeting, so you have to be there on the time. Everything will be video permanently with you, so that you can watch me, practice with me, and then practice again 2-3 times of your own, and then remove all your mental blockages and attract more abundance in your life. So my friend, if you want to attract more abundance, live a healthy lifestyle, this is the workshop and course for you. So register right now, click on the link below, or we have given a Google Pay, Paytm and Phone Pay number, and the number given there. Immediately do the energy exchange and send us a screenshot with your name, with your WhatsApp mobile number, so that we can add you in the main group. And if you are using a credit card, go to my website, there is a pay you money button, but remember, use pay you money only for credit card. And then once you make the payment, send us a screenshot. We will add you in the main group and see you on 9th of June, 20-day powerful workshop, where we will be working together simultaneously and removing all your mental blocks. I will remove mine, plus when I am doing with you, I will be removing. If something is left somewhere else, I will remove mine also, and we both will become successful. We will attract more abundance in your life, and see you personally soon. All the best. Register right now, enroll right now, and the workshop starting on 9th June. Okay, thank you very much, and see you soon personally.